Scorpion Trade is a neural network-based bot that earned more than $10,000 in the last week, and I'm sharing it with you for free. The process of getting a robot will take only a few minutes. Go to the bot from the video description and launch it. Scorpion will send you a link to register for the Pocket Option. Click on it and create a new account. After verification, use a promo code to top up your balance, which will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This was the last step towards getting the best trading assistant for Pocket Option. Now, we can start. In the updated version, you can trade on the OTC assets as well, so let's try this out. Enter the following command, choose the asset and expiration time. Then open a deal on Pocket Option. That's it.